With HEUI diesel system, Ford's 7.3-liter Power Stroke uses engine oil not only for lubrication, but also to hydraulically power the injectors. That means extreme pressure, serious heat, and one critical oil cooler. This oil cooler is positioned below the exhaust manifold and attached between the front cover and the rear of the engine. So, how does it work? When the engine starts, the low-pressure oil pump draws oil from the oil pan and sends it through the front cover. From there, the oil flows into the oil cooler front header. At this stage, a metal gasket bonded with rubber seals the connection between the front cover and the front oil cooler header, helping the oil flow through the passage without leakage under pressure. The oil then flows through the cooler toward the rear header and oil filter. Rubber oil cooler O-rings seal the cooler assembly and help prevent oil from leaking to the outside. At this stage, another oil cooler gasket seals the connection between the rear header and the crankcase. Finally, the filtered oil enters the engine block, where it flows into the main oil gallery and supplies the crankshaft bearings. Meanwhile, coolant flows from the water pump into the front cover, then through the crankcase, where it is distributed around the cylinders and into the cylinder heads. Part of the coolant leaves the cylinder heads and travels through the oil cooler rear header. It then flows through separate passages inside the oil cooler before returning to the water pump. So, in the coolant circuit, gaskets and O-rings also play a critical role in preventing cross-contamination and fluid leakage. MJ Gasket. Protect your engine with sealing components built for heat, pressure, and operating conditions.
MJ Gasket. Develop non-stop.